Take one number, Nana. 3. Okay. Take the blocks. Is it even number or odd number? Why? 1 is left over. Okay, na? Write that. 3 is a odd. Okay, good. Take one number, Nana. 10. Okay, count the blocks.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
10. Okay, is it even number or odd number, Nana? Do all of you do. Group them into twos. Is it even number or odd number?
even.
That means write that 10 is a
Even number.
good. Okay, take one number, Nana. 17. Okay, count the blocks now.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
Okay, 17. Is it even number or odd number, Nana? How can you know? Group them into
2.
twos. Okay, good. Okay, all are group them into twos only. Yes. Here anyone is left over.
Yes.
That means 17 is even number, odd number? Odd number. Right there, 17. 17 is a, say loudly, odd number.
Odd number.